Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to get all AIs for free and by a legal method. Okay, let's get straight into it. The solution is very easy and simple. You just have to use LM agents. And in this video, I'll show you a couple of agents that you can actually use in order to use many AIs free legally without any issues and without having to go into weird websites that might give you a hacker that can hack your PC. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and type here in Google LM Arena. It will jump you to this option right here. You just have to go for the first option. And here we go. You have this website. You just have to click on the top left side, then go and choose direct. And here you have multiple choices. You can choose between text, code, image, search, and so on. Let's say that I will go for text. I have here ChatGPT 5, GLM 5.1, Grok 4.2, Qwen 3.5, Cloudy, Gemini 3.1, and so on. Now let's go for code. You have also many different available cases. And for the image, you have also many different available models that you can actually try use one of them. And for the search, we have the same results. You can also try to compare two models of your choice, just like so. Here you should select the model number one, and here you should select the model number two. And be careful, if you choose one of them, it will be by default blocked for the other one because of course you're going to make a comparison between them. You can even do a search. You can search for a specific model. Let's say that I will search for Grok. Here I have Grok 4.2, 4.20, 4.1, 4, 4.3, and so on. Now let's go to option number two, which is Guy.ai. You just have to search for it and it will jump you directly to this page. Of course, you want to log in into your account. After logging in using your account, your Google account, here you can find many models that you can actually try. Here for all models, here for images, here for video, and here for LLM. You can use between any one of them. Let's say Explore AI API. Here you have the models. You can choose between them. Let's say that I will try Gemini Omni. I will click on it, then type any prompt that I actually need. Now, the third website is Lovert.ai. Here we have it. Just choose it. And of course, you should also log in into your account. Then you can choose between Nano Banana, Dance, GPT. And here, when you click on the model, you will see more and more options, as you can see. You have here models for design, models for a video, for branding, for e-commerce, and so on. So first, you want to click on this plus icon, new project. Then down below right here, you have to choose the agent. Just click on agent, then choose image generation, for example. Then you can click on this option right here, then choose the agent that you want to use or the model that you want to use. You can even click on agent, then go and click on models. And here you have models for 3D, for video, for image, and so on. After that, we have Artflow.ai. Just go for this option. And of course, you will have to sign in using your account. After that, click on Start Creating for free. Then here you can choose between creating an image, creating a video, creating an actor, and so on. I'm going to click on Create Image. And of course, you'll have to sign in using your account. After signing in, you'll have to accept the terms and conditions. Then let's go for any option. But this method uses credits in order to generate some images or generate some videos. Now we have Genespark.ai. You just have to log in into your account using Google account, then click on new, and here you have many agents you can choose between them. You can click here on standard and choose also the mode. Let's say that I want to create AI videos. I'll just click on it. Then here you have multiple options. Here you have Happy Horse, Dance version 2, Google Veo 3.1, Google Veo 3.1 reference, Sora, Kling, and so on. You just have to choose the model that you want, then you are good to go. Now, the last website that we have is imagine.art. You just have to type imagine.art and sign in using your account, of course. After signing in, here you have multiple options. You can choose between video, image, assist, and so on. You can simply click on image and choose the model. You can choose on video and choose also the model. And what you should do in order to choose the model, you just have to hover over any one of these options: image, video, audio, edit, upscale, film studio, ad studio, and so on. And it will show you all the models that you can actually use in order to create your image or create your video. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.